I will show you how to connect Pabbly Connect with Dialora. You need to go to Agent and Advanced Setting. There is a Data Integration and Tools, and then Generic Webhook. Click on Generic Webhook. This pop-up will open. Now, what you need to paste over there, I will show you. Go to Pabbly Connect. You need to create your workflow. I'm creating one of the workflow over here in Pabbly Connect, where it will connect with the HubSpot CRM. The data will be pushed in the HubSpot CRM. So make sure this button is enabled because that workflow needs to be enabled. Now I'll create a webhook in the Pabbly Connect. It's a catch webhook. The webhook is created. Now copy that webhook URL. Go to Dialora. Yeah, paste over here and configure generic webhook. So this webhook and then save the agent. This webhook will be called once the call is completed. Now I'll connect the HubSpot CRM with this webhook. So the data will be received in Pabbly Connect and it will be pushed in the HubSpot CRM. So click on HubSpot CRM, create a contact, connect. I'm just showing an example. Save. Perfect. So now what I will do is I will initiate a call from Dialora agent to my number. And during the conversion, I want to fetch the detail like email address. And that email address I need to push in the my HubSpot CRM through Pabbly Connect. Save it. And then this initiated a call. Yeah, you can see the call has been initiated. During this call, the details like email address will be collected. You can keep any details that you want to collect and then push it to your CRM through Pabbly Connect. Yeah, the call is in progress. The user is answering like their email address and all the details. Once the call is completed, you can see over here like the call is completed and the data has been collected in the webhook. You can see the response A has been received, and then you can see the phone number, which phone number it was being called. The call is completed, and then you can see the email address been collected is gaurav.v@codista.com. Perfect. That's how you can connect basically. Thank you.